Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing what I believe is one of the best compact lightweight outdoor stoves you can get. Now this exact one is an Athena Masterglow, but it is practically identical to the AOTU Microlite stove that you can also get. So one of the things I really like before you even take it out of the box is that this comes in around 4 to 5 centimeters on each side and around 8 centimeters tall. So as you can see, it fits perfectly in my hand. And that makes it really great for when you have to conserve space in your pack. Additionally, this runs you at around 4 ounces, and so it's really great for trail running or through hiking applications where conserving weight is really important. So the next thing that I really like about this stove is the fact that it is so durable despite being so cheap. This will run you anywhere between 13 and 25 bucks depending on where you get it from. However, it's a classic case of just because it's cheaper doesn't mean it's worse quality. The next thing I really like about the stove is the fact that it has 4 cook stands. Now compared to some of the other Microlite or pocket rocket burners and stoves that you can find out there that only have 3, the fact that this has 4 is really nice based on how big it is. With 3, what I've found is that oftentimes your pot will be less stable and could fall over, but with 4 you have a really nice cooking surface, and I've never really had an issue with any kind of cookware falling over from this stove. Additionally, one of the other features that this has, like most stoves, is an adjustable gas valve right here. Now this one can fold in to make it more compact when you're storing it, but there's a nice little adjustable sleeve that'll help lock it in place for use. Now the really crazy feature here is the fact that it uses a piezoelectric ignition system. So right here by the burner you can see is the spark electrode, and right here is the ignition button. So I'll demonstrate that here in just a second. So for the demonstration of this stove, we're going to be using a typical butane propane fuel source that you can get at any outdoor store or REI. And to assemble the stove to the fuel canister, we're simply going to twist it on, and twist on pretty easily. Now remember to not over tighten it, but make sure it's snug. Now next we want to make sure that that locking sleeve is properly locked into place, and then it's just a matter of letting in some gas and pressing our ignition switch, and as you can see we can get a pretty big flame in no time, and we can lower it down to a nice simmer. But that took a matter of a couple seconds. So once again, here it is totally off. And let's turn it back on again. I'll point it this way so you can see me press the button. Gas on. Simmer, and I'll turn the gas off. So that's pretty much it. I've been able to boil around a quart of water in under 3 minutes, so incredibly good, incredibly effective. And as you can see from the demonstration, the fact that you don't need any kind of match or lighter is a really great thing to have if you ever forget those or you're ever in an emergency situation. Now the one drawback to this is obviously there's no kind of wind protection, but as long as you find yourself a place that's out of the wind, this thing is lightweight, compact, and a really great little stove to bring on any trip. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this was helpful. I'm going to leave the link to this and the AOTU down below in the description, so check those out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.